Welcome to 4760 West Mountain Hollow Loop in Show Low, Arizona. This beautiful property offers a perfect blend of comfort and convenience. Some of its standout features include a spacious living area, the home also has an on-demand natural gas hot water heater and 6-inch walls with foam insulation, making it virtually soundproof, and perfect for those cold White Mountain mornings. With 3 generously sized bedrooms, there's plenty of room for family, guests, or even a home office. Also, enjoy the luxury of 2 well-appointed bathrooms, designed with modern fixtures and finishes for your convenience. Upstairs, you will find a large area perfect for a playroom or an art studio. Expansive 3-car garage. Whether you have multiple vehicles or need extra storage space, the large 3-car garage has you covered. Traveling enthusiasts will love the dedicated RV parking space, complete with full hookups, making it easy to hit the road at a moment's notice. This home is perfect for those who value both space and functionality. Don't miss out on making this White Mountains dream your own.